lesson the welcome there. I am Chaturmoon. I am Newton. I am Janandar. I am Satu. I am maid. I am mother. I am little boy. I am little girl. I am Ali. I am Paran. I am Sadhujan. A village where Chaturmoon Babu has gone back to the village after passing his Yama examination, hoping that everyone will make a break from our hill. There is lot of one taxi in return. Hello Chatur Babu, when did you arrive? Directly after the exam, wherever you have got a fine capital. This year the exam very how much is it hurry? But in a subject I will offer the all next Sunday, but you won't see like a cat like doing this part. Come forward, we can't talk about anything but the cat. It doesn't seem to matter. I have just passed my MS. Hi Chaturmoon, what have you been doing in Kolkata all this time? I have just finished my MS song. That is of your summer, I must say. Come to my home with cat. Of course, I quite understand. I have seen you for a long time. Come tonight at my home with cat. Yes, sir. How are you, Chaturmoon? How are you, my boy? Been away a long time, haven't you? That's right. There were so many examinations. This cat of yours, I'm going home. Hey, wait a minute. This cat. No, sir. I have got work to do. Oh, come on now. Now answer a civil question. This cat. Just look at that. It's education that doing very beautiful. Dada, can I have a cat? Cat, the whole day of the week. Mother, Babu has come home. He is Brazilian temple. Why, what's the matter? I don't know. No wonder the poor boy finally comes home after such a long time and dad starts annoying him at the world. I will give it some rice and milk that I have put by. Here, mother, you can have the cat and kill it one. You want a chance of it. No, I am leaving at once. Don't speak like this. Your meal is ready. Please cool down, my son. No, I am leaving. You are crazy about this cat pass. No one can serve enough work. No hurts the cat. When it comes to a cat, you are in help, but you are out of it and you hurt it. What a big fat cat. Come and come. Who's tail, Chaturmoon? No, the cat. Hey, Chaturmoon. eats bread. Not really hurry. The second all of you will die by singing at the end of the year. Oh, good God, he is positively serious. Thank you. Thank you.